Introducing the Smeg Mini Kettle. With Italian design, this kettle guarantees to be stylish and functional in every kitchen or room. Being super lightweight and with a capacity of 0.8 litres, this kettle can make up to 3 cups of tea or coffee. The smaller capacity also helps to minimise water wastage too. This kettle is the perfect addition for smaller households, guest rooms or even home offices. There are many quality features that have been integrated into the Smeg Mini Kettle to ensure that little bit of luxury in the everyday. Firstly, this kettle has a 1400 watt power output and super fast boiling, so it uses less energy than a standard kettle whilst also saving energy at the same time. Enjoy a perfect cup of tea every time with the built-in limescale filter in the spout, removing any impurities before you pour into your cup. The mini kettle has enclosed elements on the base, ensuring easy cleaning and longevity of the kettle. This kettle has a 360-degree swivel base, meaning it can fit anywhere in your kitchen and is easy to pick up whether you're right or left-handed. This kettle has been designed with a balanced weight for easy pour and also features a non-drip spout. If you found this useful, please like the video. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.